No, actually, wherever there's white fields, the friction is gonna be 0.5. Whenever it's black, the friction is gonna be 0, and everywhere in between is the gray area is a transition area. So now you will see that the particles are going way slower. Now, if you go to the, if you select the object and go to load texture again, then you can switch this. Okay, let's simulate it now. So now you will see that we switch the values. So wherever it's black, it has high friction, and wherever it's white, it has no friction. Okay, so this is the friction value with a grayscale texture. Now there's another cool thing that you can load RGB color textures. So let's select the object, go here, right click, load texture, and let's browse to the RGB. Now this RGB texture is a painted texture. I just painted in Photoshop. It has red, green, and blue lines painted all over, and it's not going to show it in red, green, and blue, but it shows the source channels. So you can see these are the reds, the white is the reds, the white area, this is the green, and this is the blue. So I want to make the green area high friction. So I'm gonna select the green green field of the texture to have the friction. So let's hit OK. Actually, let me show. Let me show the texture. So this is the texture. This is what I'm using. So basically, the gray area or the green area is gonna have the friction, and it's a really basic texture painted. Okay, so let's now it displays right away on the object, and let's simulate this. Yeah, so you can see that wherever it's green, it's now displayed in white. It has higher friction, but also like there are some green fields between the lines, so that breaks the fluid a little bit also. So alright, let's go back to the object. Now you see that these textures, you can load these textures into the collision tolerance, particle friction, bounce, and stickiness and roughness. And you can control the values with these. You can have animated textures, and this is really useful for breaking up surfaces. So basically, like let's say you have the side of the house, and the side of the house has some water running down, and you don't want to have the groove. You don't want to model out the grooves. You just want to load a texture and have the texture drive the fluids. So you can use some like let's say you use a displacement or a normal map or something for texturing these walls. So you can take those textures, convert them to this kind of grayscale texture, and you're gonna have a really nice water flow breakup, which gives a more realistic look. It's not just gonna be a sheet of water, it's gonna be some nice dripping and flowing little pattern. So yeah, this is it about the textures on the object, and check out our website, on hyperorganic.com, and we do also all kind of services from teaching to counseling in-house, online, or worldwide. So send me an email if you have any questions, and thank you for listening to this tutorial. Bye.